Open Space is a fine arts immersion experience here at Hastings College. We have art, we have theater, speech and creative writing are new this year, and music as well. And all of the kids get to experience something usually in every area.
Students, when they arrive here, right away we put them in, they're making music, they're starting to build those relationships, and they spend the entire week practicing, working in small ensembles, working in a little bit larger ensembles, taking lessons, and they really kind of totally immerse themselves in music and music making.
Coming from such a small town, we don't really have a lot of acting opportunities, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to come here.
It's definitely refreshing to be around a lot of people that share the same passion and talent for things that you love to do.
I've learned so many new techniques for how to get into characterization, how to really come together and build a set, and how to paint a set as well, which was fun.
Well, so for speech, we've kind of just been exploring the fundamentals and the theories of speech. We've also been talking a lot about like the college speech circuit as opposed to the high school speech circuit, and how we're able to differently change our attitudes and performances to fit a more mature event.
What surprised me was how quickly, especially the theater kids, we all came together as one family. Like the first night, I remember we played games the first night and we were like immediately best friends.
The kids have such a great time when they come here and get to see new things. First of all, you know, we have like the glass blowing studio, or if they're working on set and lights in the theater, and you just see the kids really come alive. They're already interested in a lot of the topics that we offer here, but being able to work with people that are really excellent in their field is just a really great thing for all of the students, and they are always so excited, and you can just tell how fascinated they are with the subject matter that they're working with.
So we've got to watch a lot of videos, take a lot of notes, but overall learn unforgettable things.